Yesterday you had some problem and login. Sometimes you have little problems. Audio okay, va? Okay, good. So actually I'm coming from Michigan. Now I'm in Kerala, CIF. Virtual tour. Oh. Okay, shall we start? Om Sahana Bhavato Sahano Bhunaktu. Om Sahana Bhavato Sahano Bhunaktu Sahavidyam Karamavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidgushavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Harihi Om. Now you are able to read the slokas. You are able to read. So understanding will come little later. Don't worry. Now you are able to identify the letters and read. The thing is, Ajirne, Anabhyase Visham Vidya, Ajirne Bhojanam Visham. One Sanskrit saying says, if you do not practice, then you will not get it. Even though we eat food, the food is good for the health. If the food is not getting digested, the food will become poison. Ajirane Bhojanam Visham. Anabhyase, without abhyasa, Vidya will become Visham. Visham means it will go away from us. So you keep on practicing. Practice means you don't need to go to from the first class. Not like that. Take the sloka and keep on reading. Wherever it's possible, you try to read in Sanskrit only. But it's a difficult word, don't leave it. Difficult word, write it down, separate. Then we'll see this. Okay? So my contact is with you now. So any time you can send a question. If I know, then I will bring the reference. Okay? So you be with me throughout life. So whenever you get doubt, you send me. Because a few questions I didn't yesterday answer. I didn't have time yesterday. We were tightly packed 24 hours. Yesterday, one more new class I started for the children here in Tamil Nadu. 300 children starting the same Devanagari. I'm conducting them in Tamil. The Devanagari in Tamil. So I bring the Ammas. I will do like this. So when I introduce this the Tamil people badly need this. When I introduce and I'll bring like this. For you, this Sanskrit. For them, it's like this. Okay? And if I introduce I there, and I introduce Ivar. Here, Pandava Ivar. So I bring the Pandavas 5 names and Ivar also comes there. So like that I'm mixing. So yesterday I started, 250 people joined, 4th and 5th standard. So there's a different, first time I got this kind of idea. First time. Very interesting. Note this. So hereafter I will work more to discuss, share this idea with the Tamil people. I got our idea now. I got board also. Board, nice board. Everything is nice. Yesterday we start. That's why I didn't have time. Today, after 11 to 12, I have class. Then I will answer your many messages I didn't answer yesterday. Okay? So now you get ready for second level course. Shall we continue? Yeah. So yesterday we studied this Inka, and Inga also you have done. Inga also. Inga. This also will be there. Gha also. The fourth letter. Inka. And Inga also. Yes? Sankalpa, Kankana, Ahankara. Sometimes you see this kind of the Ahankara. Aham. Kara. You find sometimes like this. Is a Hindi, they write like that. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But this is okay. Okay? Oh, okay. This is the right one. Yeah. Shankar, Mangalam, Ganga, all this. So how the construction, very nicely they constructed. You can recognize. It's not very difficult to recognize. Satsanga and Patanga, Satsanga, Dusanga, Nissanga, all Sanga, Sanga, that's all. Whether it is Satsanga, Dusanga, Nissanga, all Sanga, Inga is important. Okay. Right. Now, application. Tasya Sanjanain Harisham Kuru Vriddha Pitamaha Simhanadam Vinadyochaihi Shankam Dadmo Pratapavan. Shankam. Bhishma did this conch. He started. The Mahabharata was the first person who blew the conch, Bhishma Pitamaha. Shankam Dadmo Pratapavan. The glorious Mahabharata. Bhishma. Shankam Dadmo Pratapavan, the great person. This we studied. This is very easy for you, that's why I didn't color. H plus cha. You can write like this also. Sometimes you write like this. Both are right. Ich. This is pra, you studied Shankam. So Sha, Ing, Ka, Shankam. Shankam Dadmo Pratapava. So he blew this conch. Bhishma Pitamaha. Tata Shankascha various. When Bhishma blew the conch, Kaurava, they started blowing. Tata Shankascha. Shanka, this is the word. Shanka we studied. Already we studied Ischa. Okay? This is Ischa. We studied that. And Ischa, again one more Ischa. The same Ischa only. Bear yescha, be ir yescha. When you see this kind of word, you just go to get spinning in your head. Oh, now you are okay. Now you are okay. Be ir ya yescha, bear yescha. Tata shankascha bear yescha. Panavanaka gomukhaha. Sahasai vabhyam tyanta. Shashabdas tumulo bhavatu. Tumulo bhavatu. Tumulo abhavatu you should not. Tumulo bhavatu. So the A is recite. You have to mix the A and chat. Tumulo bhavatu. When Kauravas blowed and they played their drum, Shashabdas tumulo bhavatu. The big sound they created. Kauravas. So the Shanka is very important here. The first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Tata Shvetair Hayirute. Then thereafter our hero comes. Hero comes. Tata means thereafter. First you have to tell Kaurava. First you should not tell Pandavas. Pandavas next. Small piece of the thing you have to. When hero comes, dun, 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 tata, tata, shvetaihi hayehi yuktaha, shvetai, all the 5 horses are shveta, white horses, pure white, pure white. Shvetaihi hayehi, shvetair hayeir yukte, Raugam. Very. Shva, shve, tai, ir, ya, ha, yai, ir, you, yukte. Go slow, go slow. Whenever you get this kind of, when you get a speed breaker, you have to go slow. 1, 2, 3 speed breaker together. Sometimes 1 speed breaker, sometimes 3 speed breaker. Okay? So here 3 is Hayair, Shvetair, Hayair, Yukte. Now you read. Afterwards, I will tell you the second course, I will tell you the subject. How to split, I will tell you later. How to split, I tell you later. When you split this is easy. Shvetai. Hayaihi. Okay? Are you getting it? So during the Sandhi, I will tell you how this will become here. I'll tell you there. Now, if you are not comfortable, say Shvetaihi, Hayehi, Yukte. When you bring together Shvetair, Hayeir, Yukte. That's. So don't worry about how to split. This is not the place where we have to focus. This is not our point. So here, our thing is recognize and read. So this I will say, we will study little later. Okay, what? Mahati Syandane Stitau. It's very easy. All the white, you are very familiar, you are fluent. Madhava. Pandavas Chaiva, we studied. Chaiva. Divya Shankau. The 2. Why there Shankam? Why here Shankau? The second course we will study. Now I know whatever you ask question, second course. Now I know how to answer. Okay? Shankau. Now is it? Don't worry about when you see this. Sha. Sa, there is no problem. Ing. And ka. This. Ka. Ka. Cow. So, this cow everything goes to this white. Going it. So, the sha, ing, ka, cow. Shankau. This is how you ought to read. Shankau. Okay? When you see this, it's frightening. It's looking like a palace mother. Shankau. The construction is looking like palace. Listen. Sha, ing, ka, shanka, shankau. That is. Now, you are telling very easy for us. At the beginning, you find little. Afterwards, get shankau. Pratat madhu. Okay? Understood? Wait. Panchajanyam Hrishikeshaha. Now our hero comes. Hrishikesha. Lord Krishna has got one conch. The name of the conch is Panchajanyam. Devadatta. Arjuna's thing is Devadatta. It's given by the Deva, therefore it's Devadatta. Okay? Panchajanyam Hrishikeshaha Devadattam. Itta we studied here. Itta. Okay? Kru also we studied. Kru we studied. You remember all those things I know. I know you know that. I know that you know all these letters. Okay? Ittam you know, Kru you know. Poundram. Now just now you study this poundram. Da. Ta. No. Ta. Da. Dra. Not dra. Poundram. Mahashankam. Because to Bhima, you should not give Bhima a very small thing. Bhima is the big person. For big person, you have to give big conch. Mahashankam. Like big anda. Mahashanka. Mahashanka. Bhima karma vrkodaraha. Bhima karma. Okay? Inka, Shanka. Maximum this Inka you will get with the Shanka only, that's all. If you know Shanka, Inka is over. Yogastha Kuru Karmani Sangam. Now, this Sangam you will get so many times in Bhagavad Gita. Sangam, Asangam, Sangam Tekva, Dhananjaya. Siddhya Siddhyo Samo Bhutva, Samatvam Yoga Uchate. Is the definition for Samatvam Yoga Uchate. The definition for yoga, the second chapter. Second chapter 40. Very good. 848. Good. Now you got it. Nobody can shake you now. You are strong. All numbers. Samatvam Yoga Uchate. Yogastha Kuru Karmani Sangam. Sangam Tekva, having given up the attachment. The giving up the attachment, the life project. Before we quit this place, we should have given up attachment, the life project. We should get the practice. Yajnantat karmonon yatra lokoyam karma bandhanaha tadartam karma kaundeya mukta sangha samachara. Mukta you studied, sangha now you are studying. Sangha, mukta sangha samachara. Mukta sangha. Oh, Arjuna, please try to give up sangha. Mukta sangha samachara. Practice detachment. Mostly we think that detachment is a dry feeling. Detachment is not dry feeling. Detachment brings happiness. I say the dry fruits, the dry dates. It looks dry, but then you eat it, it's sweet. But then the wet fruit is also good, but all your hands will become wet. You need to have tissue paper there. In attachment also you have happiness. Detachment also you have happiness. Detachment, the happiness is very long happiness and sattvic happiness. Attachment is very, very sticky. Okay. So we have this honey, ten type. Yeah. The honey is filled in this candy. Honey is there inside the candy. If you have honey, the bottle, the honey bottle. Okay, right? Suppose take honey in the plate. The plate you have honey. You are guest. Okay. Honey is there in the plate. They are giving them the plate. You take this honey. You would wipe it out. Touch. So it's in between the finger also it goes. How to take that? I don't want to leave this, which is there in between this. And they are not watching. And nobody is watching you go and very sticky. You have to wash. And you have to have other thing. Again wash. So many times you have to wash. So many layers of washing. The candy. So they make very nice candy. And the candy pulla, they pour the honey. Just to take the candy and put it there. Inside it went. There you say click, click, finished. So nothing happened outside. Yeah, in the attachment also we have happiness. When I attach to something, I feel this kind of love and affection, secure feeling. It is there. And what the scripture says, there's so much of stickiness, Arjuna. Just drop it. I will give you candy. You eat this. Getting it? If you want happiness, I'll give you a very nice kind of happiness. Or the detachment, we get more happiness actually. So here happiness. Now you can sing also. Here I cannot sing. We are very busy with the two hands. That's very sticky here. You drop this and get this. Okay? In the detachment, we think that in detachment there is no happiness. Detachment only brings us so much of happiness. Otherwise, jolly, very happy. Detachment. Attachment, you are always see the face. Your disappointment again and again. Disappointment will come. Mukta Sangha Samachara. Okay? Okay. Satsangatve Nisangatva. I know you. Where is this sloka from? Oh, you are all great scholars, ma'am. I'm checking you. I have simple question. Where is this from? It's a simple question. You get 100 mark. Bhajagovinda. Throughout our life, we chant and we study Bhajagovinda. Satsangatve, Nisangatvam. Nisangatve, Nirmoha. These are things you study. Already we studied. Satsanga, Nisanga, Nisanga, Inga. Okay? Very nice word. So there is a rhythm is Satsangatve, Nisangatve, Nirmohatvam. Only one sloka, if then you can dance Satsangatve, Nisangatve. If you want to irritate someone. Jivan Mukti. One Satsanga brings Jivan Mukti here itself. Very nice sloka. Prakrite Kriyamanani. This is already we studied Kri. Ahankara Vimudatma. Ahankara. Prakrite Kriyamanani. Gunai Karmani Sarvashaha. Ahankara Vimudatma. Kartahamiti Manyate. Ahankara, we are completely dominated by our own Ahankara, then we become fool. No need to tell anyone. In front of mirror, you are fool. The mirror says you. Oh, thank you very much. Ahankara Vimudatma Kartahamiti Manyate. I am the Karta. Very great philosophy. Okay, Ahankara Vimudatma. This Ahankara comes here. Third chapter, sloka. Okay? Idahi Nendriya Cheshu. This we studied Indriya. Okay? You remember? So whenever you get the off letter should be covered this E. So you remember that. We studied. Anushajyate. This is H plus Ja. H. Okay? H. Anushajyate. Sarva Sankalpa Sannyasi. Sarva Sankalpa. Inka. Okay? Inka. Sarva Sankalpa Sannyasi. Yoga Ruda Stadochate. His name is Yoga Ruda. This is from 6th chapter. Okay? You able to follow? Yeah. Bhumi Rapo Rado Vayu Kammano Buddhi Revacha Hankara Iti Yamme Bhinna Prakriti Ashtada. Ahankara Iti Yamme. This is also very easy to understand. Nothing is there. Then we come to one more letter. Okay, Inka, Inga. All the 4 letters you understood. So all of these are like what the hanging on the vertical post. Now, this is chair, H plus chair. Sometimes you get like this. H plus chair. And you get like this. One after another. Like plate. You keep like plate. One after another. Itcha. Uchaihi. Okay, va? Now, and one more. In plus cha. This is our family. So now we are going to study one family of one set of conjunct consonant. What is that? This is incha. 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 Kanchanam. Cha. Kanchanam. Gold. Kanchanam means gold. Chanchalam. Chanchalam means flicker. Sinchati. Sprinkle. Sinchati. See, sincha. Incha. This is ing. Nya. Incha. Kanchanam. Chanchalam. Sinchati. Okay? Yeah. So moving. Now, one more letter. Inj plus ja. In plus ja. Inja. 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 That was incha. Incha. This is inja. Inja. Panjaraha. Dhananjayaha. We cannot say Dhananchayaha. Dhananchaya. Dhananchaya. No. Dhananjaya. Panjara. Dhananjaya. Arjuna. Arjuna. Dhananjaya. Okay, no? Then our family. This is our family. Now see this. Incha. How the construction is here. Incha and inja. Oh, for a section of letters. Section of letters. So here you will not get doubt. You put. So you take afterwards, after this course, you take two pages, or take chalk and just over that, make the family. Family of Ish, family of Incha, family of Ishta, family of Inka, Inga, like the different family. You also put your family in between there. My family members are learning this family letters. You make it very interesting. Then you will never forget. This is not. We are not doing this kind of homework and project. This is called project. You take big big chart. You take big chart after the course. Conjunct the consonant. Family, family, family. Different flowers. Different flowers you bring. In the flowers you bring all these petals. Okay. This is how you have to. And put this chart in the kitchen. Because most of the time we spend their time, our time. Kitchen. Whenever you go, you see, hey, this is staff family, this is Shah family, this is family. Okay, if it is the book, it's very difficult to see. Book will not touch. Because that will be in the puja room. The divine language. Puja room. Afterwards. You make a chart and put it there. And whenever you pass through that, you will, hey, this way. This is how it comes. There are small techniques how to own the language. Okay. Now, Shanairu Paramed, Dhritigrihitaya, Atma Samstammana Kritva, Nakinchida Vichintayete. 6th chapter. Very slowly how to bring mind. Shanairu Paramed, Dhritigrihitaya, with the intellect, the strong intellect to bring the mind slowly. Atma Samstammana Kritva. When you fix the mind in the Atma, Nakinchida Vichintayete. Don't think anything. Don't bring other thoughts. Only one thought, keeping your mind on Atma. Na kinchidapi. Okay? In this sloka, you know all the things. You know everything in this sloka. This is the new letter you learned. Incha, kinchidapi. Okay? Yato nischarati manas chanchalam astiram. Manaha chanchalam astiram. Tadastato niyam yaitatu atmanyeva vasham nayete. Here also you know everything. In this sloka you know all the letters. Now this is a new letter, Incha. Manas chanchalam. Chanchalam hi mana Krishna pramati balavadridam tasyaham nigraham manne vayurava sudushkaram. Now, this is the letter we are studying. We studied. Now we are going to study. That's why I have given the dark red letter. Red means you should not touch it. You should not see that. Okay? Therefore, you have to repeat. Okay? Because now I can bring this letter also. So whatever you didn't study, that also I can bring. Now you have little exposure. Okay, you see it, but you don't understand. You should not ask questions. That's why red. Red means no question. What is this red? No. What is green and the blue? Already you study. What is the yellow? You are studying. This is past, this is present, this is future. Okay? Now you study. Now, chanchalam hi, Krishna. Oh, Krishna, mind is chanchala sabhava. How to control it? like the flame. Chanchala Swabha. Tasyaham Nigraham Manne Vayoruvasu Dushkar. It's very difficult to control, like how we are controlling the wind. The same way, it's very difficult. What is the answer? Go and read Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter, you will get the answer. This is the question, okay? How to control mind? Go to 6th chapter. Ayati Shraddhayo Pedaha. Is it dangerous letter? Don't see this. Yoga Chalita Manasaha. Yoga Chalita Manasaha. Aprapi Yoga Samsiddhim Kamgadim Krishna Gacchati. The person who is walking in the spiritual path, suppose he dies without attaining the goal. He left his home, all the family, and not attaining the goal. Even in between he died. What will be his condition? At least he would have had some pizza and ice cream. He dropped that, started walking, died. What will be his condition? Kamgadim Krishna Gacchati. What kind of gati he will reach? Yesterday we studied gati means where? Yesterday, where gati came? Upanishad. We studied this. Gati. Gati means the goal. Kamgadim Krishna Gacchati. So this is Yoga Chalita Manasa. Okay? Tachinno vai viprashta chinnabhram nashyati apradishto mahabhaho vimudo brahmanapati. This is danger. Don't see this. Apratishto. This we studied. Apratishto. Chinnabhram nashyati. This chinno. Bhra we studied. All the things we studied. Now kachinno vai viprashta. So his life is, he loses his life like how the wind comes and blows the cloud. In the same way, his life also will go like cloud. The cloud is destroyed by the big wind. The same way, the cloud was there in the ocean. So he lost his ocean. And the cloud is not giving the rain. Simply destroyed by the wind. See the example. At least the cloud must have been the water. He's lost his source and he's not giving water, rain. He's simply destroyed by the wind. In the same way, the person who is following in the path of spirituality, he lost his family and he's not gaining moksha. So when he dies, what condition he will die? This is a question, very, very intricate question. Chinna abram ivanashati. Chinna abram. Chinna means destroyed, scattered. Abra means the water, the cloud. Nashyati. Your Krishna, you tell me what gati will reach. What will be his condition? Okay, what? Machitta madgata prana bodhayanta. Machitta. Itcha. Keeping mind in me. Machitta. Madgata prana. So you don't see this. Prana, bodhayanta parasparam, katayantascha mamnityam, tushyanticha namanticha. The devotees, they keep their mind on me and they talk each other about me. The devotees, they come together and they don't talk worldly things, they talk about me. Katayanta, parasparam katayantascha, tushyanti namanchi. They feel very happy. This ichcha. Okay? Going to break. Okay? Yeah, screen. You want to see the screen again? Okay? So Srimad Bhagavad Gita, this is chapter 15. Purushottama Yoga. So one point I brought here for you. Well, how many of you studied? How many of you studied 15th chapter? At least you know 15th chapter. Okay. 15th chapter you know, because it is written 15th chapter I know. Excuse me. Have you heard of 15th chapter? Huh? Many of you heard 15th chapter. You know 15th chapter. In the 15th chapter, okay, if you don't hear, now you hear. It's okay. There's no problem. You can hear. You know 15th chapter? Kavesari? You know. Kavesari. Okay. Anyway, you are, from your face, I can understand that you studied. You studied. Asking simply 15th study, we studied Shankara Bhashyam and all. Shankara Bhashyam, hey, they are not giving me the chance, otherwise I can give talk. Yajna also I can do. But these people, they don't understand my ability. They are doubting my ability. One day I will get mic like you. Then I will talk there. 15th chapter. 15th chapter, the important understanding, very, very important understanding. The first thought itself. Yeah, now you see this. This is the first look. Udvamulam adashakam ashwatham prabhurabhyayam. Ashwatham. Prabhurabhyayam chandamsi yasya paranani yastam vedasa vedavi. You know the meaning. Why it is given here. Just read and you understand. Have you understood? Yes, I understood. They speak of an eternal Ashwatha tree. Okay? Ashwatha tree. The roots above and branches below. Ashwatha tree, the roots above, branch below. So when you bring this, roots are up. And the roots man. There's a tree down. Is a tree. Ashwatha tree. Simply we do like this one. Take one chart, root up and upside down. You bring upside down tree. You understood very clearly. Branches below. The leaves are the Vedic hymns, and one who knows the secret of this tree is a knower of the Vedas. But simply what is this? The tree. A tree should be in the reverse direction. I understood what is meaning of Veda. Simple. Upside down. Gurudev says, before studying this sloka, he says, excuse me students, you have to give your attention. Gurudev says, please give your attention, even though you read so much about this. And first, before getting into that, this thought is very important. Before studying the first sloka, he says, now see, the very style of Vedas is couched in mysticism. The style of Veda is mysticism. You have to understand. This is very, very important for all the students of Sanskrit, particularly. All the students. Mysticism. Style of Veda is mysticism. And next question comes, what is mysticism? Vedas are revelation of the rishis. Style of the mysticism. Then what is mysticism? Taking any convenient object of the world. Already we are very familiar with so many objects. From the birth, so many convenient object, you take one object, describing it in such a poetic style. The poetic style should be there. Okay? So as to express some of the subtler philosophical truth. Subtler. The subtler philosophical truth you are bringing through the poem with this known example. Getting it? And thereby convey some deeper religious message is called mysticism. This is the definition for mysticism by our Guru Swami Chinmayananda. You find this definition 15th chapter. This is very important. Without now see, sometimes in the not sometimes in the Diwali, during the Diwali in India, and particularly in India, before Diwali, we celebrate 1 week. We make so much of the sweets we make. Others and this and that. So much of sweet they make. All the houses are filled with sweets. Hey, Diwali is going to come. So I get so much of the bhakshanam from other house. relatives. And I also made so much. Apo this 1 week, 10 days, I keep on eating Deepavali Palagan. Apo the stomach is overloaded. Definitely, you will go after some to hospital doctor. Doctor, my stomach is upset. Why? Overloaded. Overloaded is upset. During Deepavali time, they will give first, before itself, before 1 week, they will give one marund. One of the medicine, the medicine they give this kind of medicine. Then Deepavali medicine. First you have to eat it. Legium. It is like legium. You eat it, it will go and settle down in the body. Now you put whatever, it will get digested. Karr. Yeah. We are not having control on the tongue. I don't have control, but I want to eat. But when it goes inside, my body should have the ability to digest everything. Okay, before eating all the things, you are swallowing this legium. The same way, before getting into 15th chapter, first you have to read this passage and understand, then you get it. You will understand 15th chapter very easy. Otherwise, so much of confusion, upside down tree. Upside down tree definitely will make different understanding. Okay, so that's why we need to have Gurudev to show us how to study Bhagavad Gita. You getting it? Simply you cannot take in Bhagavad Gita. I know Sanskrit, I know English, I can. Excuse me, sir. You need to have different personality to show us how to look at this sloka. The view they are giving, the vision they are giving is called darshana. Different darshana they are giving different. You see in this way, you will understand clearly. It will not confusion. Okay, so this passage is very, very important passage and common common message for mysticism. A definition for mysticism. Okay, now having understood this much, what is mysticism? Convenient object, poetic self, subtle and philosophical truth. All 3 points. Okay, this is called mysticism. Now, Gurudev is taking poet philosophers. These two people are poet philosophers. That day we discussed. Okay, they know how to bring philosophy through poem. Gurudev told mysticism. Only philosophy, this is different. Only poem, different style. But philosophy and poem, mixing this together, you're very difficult. Mixing aval and mixing vellam. What is it? Puffed rice and jaggery you have to mix. Okay? And rice, you take small, purchase rice and yellow powder, turmeric powder, make it akshata. So for the rice should come, this should come, you have to mix. This yellow powder should penetrate inside this rice and the whole rice will look yellow color. Different process. You have to poem and philosophy should come together. These two great people, If you go Kalidasa and Magha, all those things, only poem, the poets. Great philosophers we have. These two people excel in poem and philosophy. Gurudev liked these two people very much. You see, Bhagavan Adi Shankara is working in Bhagavad Gita Upanishad. Gurudev admires these two great saints, okay, poet philosophers. Now, you see the upside down, the roots are up and the branches are down. This picture is round. You like this picture, right? It's not like that. But you see, wherever you go and you see this kind of picture, this is not the right picture. Okay? So you should not understand this way. And you go. This is the banyan tree. Banyan tree is a vata vriksha. Okay. Suppose banyan tree you put in this way. Banyan tree has got branch, the root down. Not only the main root, the branches will become root. The banyan tree upside down, this also wrong. Okay, this understanding also not right. Okay, Ashwatha Vriksha. Ashwatha means what? The people tree. People tree. You take people tree in this way and put upside down. This also not right. Why he told Ashwatha? Ashwatha Vriksha, why he told? A little how to understand this. There our Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya comes. This is Adi Shankaracharya's commentary for this Ashwatha. Now we understand. You read how Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya. Krishna told like this. Udumulam Adashakam Ashwatam Prahuram. Krishna told, Bhagavan Vedavyasa recorded. To understand this, Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya should come and he has to give the meaning. Our Gurudev should come and he has to say, this is mysticism. You getting it? See the line. This is called Guru Parampara. They gave us this kind of knowledge. So we are indebted to them. Therefore, we are indebted to them and we have to keep this Rishi Rinam. Kadan Patta. Rishi Rinam we have to do. Getting it? This is called Rishi Rinam. Why? We understood this concept. With Krishna, Vedavyasa, Adi Shankara and our Guru. You see the link. Now, Na Shopi. Now you studied this is Shva, okay? This is Shva. You studied now. You know. Na Shopi. This also you studied. This integrated mark is yes. Na Shopi Sthata. Sthata. Iti Ashwatha. Okay? Ashwatha. You studied Devanagari. Now you know how to read it. Ashwatha. Okay? Ashwatha. You are very good. Now, this letter I will learn. Kshana Pradvamsinam. Tam Kshana Pradvamsinam Ashwatam Ahu. Okay, Kshana Pradvamsinam, it will destroy in a fraction of a second. It will change. The continuous change alone is a changeless law of the universe. It will change. Okay? Na Shwopi Sthata iti Ashwatha. This is the main line. Now, I am coming. Ashwatha, when you split the Ashwatha, Ashwatha. Okay. Stha, the root we will see little later. First you understand. Stha means that which exists. Sthana. Sthanuvat. Stha. Okay. Shva. Shva means tomorrow. Shva means tomorrow. Shva. Na. The na will become a. So it's a dharma, adharma. Okay. Dharma, adharma. Satya, asatya. Shwatha, ashwatha, ashwa. Shva, ashwa. You are getting dharma, adharma. Satya, asatya. Shva, ashwa. Shva means tomorrow. Ashwa means not tomorrow. So the meaning is that which is not existing tomorrow. That will not exist tomorrow is called Ashwatha. Actually, it is not Ashwatha tree. Again, that which will not exist tomorrow. That means its impermanency is indicated by the word Ashwatha. So the impermanency is indicated by the word Ashwatha, and the tree also comes in between. And you take the tree also, and you explain the tree's explanation also. The tree's branches are there. You getting it? And tree branch also comes there. You explain all those things. And we should not understand upside down the tree, literally. It is like tree. It is like tree. You getting it? How to understand? Very, very interesting, not challenging. Not problematic, not challenging. Very interesting actually. Oh, now see, very the thing. You take Samsara Sagar. See, you want to convey the whole the life as Samsara Sagar. You take Samsara Sagar. Samsara Sagar, there is no end for this. The shore. The shore, I don't see the shore of this Sagar. In the same way, I do not know when will I end my life. So you are telling, you are comparing your philosophy. There's so much of waves. In the same way, in my life, I get so much of waves. Likes and dislikes, sukha dukkha. In the ocean, we get whales and big fish. The same way, in my life also, I have so big whales. There, in my own house, I have 2, 3. Cyclone will come. Again, like some from the office, cyclone comes. Problem comes. Different cyclone. You can compare your life with the Sagar. Okay? In the same way, you can compare your life with a tree. That's all. That is samsara sagara. This is samsara vriksha. That is the difference. Is it okay? If you say sagara, you have to connect the waves, and the what is that? The ocean, the depth, all the things, cyclone, everything you have to compare. The same way, here Bhagavan Adishankar, Bhagavan Krishna is comparing with a tree. And it's not upside tree, it is like a tree, but the tree is like, or that it is not Ashwath upside down, it's a family tree. From the father, the great father, you get the children like that. Family tree. It's not literal tree. But the name is Ashwatha. Why Ashwatha? It does not exist. Therefore Ashwatha. This is like tree, not tree as it is. Okay? This is how you want to understand. Na shopis tata iti Ashwatha. I know you understood. Well, you have to understand. Why? There is no slide after that. Slide is over. You understand. See, the impermanency of this universe is explained like tree, but not literal tree. Okay? What we have literally we kept the tree upside down and we are upside the root down. That is not like here the tree. Suppose you want to have a tree, a family tree, father and mother, the grandfather. They had 3, and they had 4 or 5. Again branches. They also other branches. Branch. Okay, this is called tree. The family tree you have to understand, not Ashwatha as it is. From the root, this is Brahman Paramatma. From this Paramatma, Panchabhutas came. From the Panchabhuta, all the things are getting it. We should not literally Brahman is standing somewhere else, like other religions. He is there. Excuse me. He is kept in the top level, not literally in the top level. The subtle, okay? We have all the Panchabhutas here. Even though we have all the Panchabhuta, God also with us only. God is not somewhere else in the top. He is with us. But from the grass to subtlest. The subtlest thing is explained like Urdhvam. It's not literally Urdhvam. Sir, in a company, CEO is sitting there. You are there. All the people are sitting in the first floor. Everybody in the first floor. CEO means you have to go to 20th floor. Ordinary worker, basement. It's not like that. You getting it? Even though we are all living in the same plane, the position, the power, they are getting little different from other person. Okay? So Lord is everywhere. And all the Buddha, everything is everywhere. Why we are telling this is Urdhvam? Urdhvam means higher, not literally Urdhvam, up. Getting it? So higher authority means what? Higher authority always will sit in the 10th floor. It is not like that. We know that. Higher authority also will sit along with us. The power is more than us. The same. Urdhvam means not literally Urdhvam. The higher. And the branches are coming from. You understood. So you have to reflect and understand, not literally. Otherwise, all the 2 pictures are wrong pictures. Is it okay? Yeah, you understood. Yeah, going back. Okay. Uchai. Uchaihi. Uchai Sarvasam Ashwana. Uchaihi. Okay? This is Uchai Sarvas. How do you know? Yes, I know. I brought this from Heavenly World. Photograph from Heavenly World. Uchai Sarvasham Ashwana. This is the 10th chapter of Krishna. Uchai Sarvasham Ashwanam. Among the horses, I am the Uchai Sarva. Vidyamam Amurdodbhavam. So, the Uchai Sarvas came from Amrita Sagar. Don't see this, we'll learn little later. Airavadam Gajendra, all the elephants, I am Airavatam. Naranam cha Naradipam. Among these men, I am the king. This is from 10th chapter, okay? Uchai Shravas. Uchai. Now, Vrishnina Vasudevosmi. Among the Vrishnis, I am Vasudeva, Krishna. Pandavanam Dhananjayaha. Among 5 Pandavas, so my vibhuti is more in Pandava. Dhananjaya Arjuna, you are none other than myself. Myself is Dhananjaya. See, very nicely he brought this idea. Dhananjaya, okay? Enjoy. Muninam Apyaham Vyasaha. Among the Munis, I am Vyasa. Kavina Mushana Kavi. Among this, the Prohit, the Gurus, I am Kavi. Ushana Kavi means the Sukaracharya. Among these advisors, I am the Sukaracharya. Sukaracharya is a very good advisor of Asuras. Okay? Amihi tvam surasanga vishanti kechit bhita pranjaliyo grananti swasti tyukta maharshi siddha sangha suvanti tvam stutibihi pushkalabihi. This is a bigger one from 11th chapter. Don't worry. Go slow. Ami, he, tvam, surasanga. Okay? This is Inga. Okay. Surasangha. Inga, gha. Inga. Vishanti. Kechit Bita. Just we'll learn this a little later. Pra Enjarayo. Pranjali. Okay? Anjali. The Anjali. Pranjali. So Inja. Granandi. Swasti Yuktva Maharshir Siddha Sangha. Maharshi. 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 Okay? Maharshi. Maharshi Siddha Sangha. Stuvanti Tvam Stutibihi Pushkalabihi. Easy one. You take little time, then you will very slowly go. So go slowly, you will get it. The thing is Pranjalayo. Okay? You got it? Yeah. Panchendriya. Pancha Chendriya Gochara. Pancha Pandava. Pancha. Okay? Sanjayati. Sanjaya Uvacha. Here itself in Bhagavad Gita. In Mahabharata, in Bhagavad Gita. Sanjaya. Sanjaya Uvacha. Okay? Sanjaya. Sanjaya itself, he himself has got the inject. Sattvam Sukhe Sanjayati. Sattva Guna will unite us with the Sukham, Sattva Guna. If we are Sattva Guna, we'll get Sukham, the happiness. Rajak Karmani Bharata. Rajoguna will unite us in the activities. Jnanam Avrutyatu Tamaha. The Tamoguna will cover our knowledge. Pramade Sanjayatyude. When you do this, then we are connecting ourselves with Tamoguna. Whenever you do Tamoguna. Somebody is taking class and somebody is somebody is talking 1 hour, somebody is drinking or what's that, adjusting. That's the Tamo. Getting it? Not all the time. Sometimes we don't have this oxygen, that's why we are earning. Whenever we earn, we have to say, I don't have oxygen, that's why I'm earning. Very nice point, right? Very nice point. So the point is, Sattvam Sukhe Sanjayati unites, Rajak Karmani unites, Tamaha Pramad. So you'll forget. Tamoguna. Therefore, Krishna says, yeah, Arjuna, please unite yourself with the Sattva Guna. Sattva Rajas Tamas, okay? So next week we'll take a little more, very few things. We are able to finish. Don't worry. Very little. Idda, all the things. Almost you finished 80%. So I forgot to tell the percentage. Now where are we? Okay, 90%. Okay, 95%. Now you learned 95% of this language. You know how to recognize, read. Only 5%. That will complete in 2 classes. Okay. Now you start reading everything in Sanskrit, Devanagari. Devanagari Lipi, language is Sanskrit. Okay, the Lipi is Devanagari, what we are learning. Now you start reading the Lipis. So then and there you will get this kind of philosophy also from the scriptures. Then you are able to connect Sanskrit with the philosophy. Otherwise, only language, what is the purpose? Only learning the language, why? There should be some purpose. Now you connect yourself with the philosophy, you come to understand so much. You understand what is mysticism. Mystic people, mystic man. What is mysticism? So whenever we say mystic, now magic. Magic is different. Mystic means a different. Philosophy very direct. Philosophy not direct message. Why am direct message? Because whenever you are angry, you are in angry mode, so your decision will be wrong. The philosophy. Your face is looking like moon. Once upon a time. And the poem. So the poem is different. In those days, you used to give me poem. Those days, now it's not. So poem is different. Philosophy different. Now, bring the poem and philosophy together and you convey a subtle message. This is called mysticism. Oh, very nicely. Oh, with a different level of understanding. What is mysticism? Because it's very difficult to bring poem and philosophy. Heart and head, it's very difficult to bring. Now we understood how to bring, how to understand. So Gurudev brought that idea, he showed this, the subtle truth. Okay? So studying of this scripture in a language should connect with the scriptures. Suppose you go to scripture, you can unlock, you get message, you understand, you are also happy, you share the ideas, and our life also is getting changed. Transformation. Okay? So next week is our last week, next Saturday, and next Sunday is the last Sunday for this course. Not last means in that, for this course, the last Saturday and last Sunday, we are able to finish a small thing. Then afterwards, we'll have gap, then we'll start. Okay? We'll meet next week. Thank you very much. So we'll see you next week, okay? Hari Om. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadai Purnamevamsishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om.